दोस्तों क्वाइज सक्सेस के YouTube चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत है।
Learning Objectives. After completing this module, learners will be able to recall the issues of water and people of Chennai, discuss water as a part of the fundamental right of life, list the public facilities of water provided for all, describe the government's role in public facilities. People of Chennai. Water and the people of Chennai. The Anna Nagar area of Chennai looks lavish and green with parks in front of houses maintained by water sprinklers. Mylapore in Chennai suffers from water scarcity. Water supply is inadequate for the people who live in apartments. They have to spend 500 to 600 rupees per month in order to purchase water and meet their daily needs. For drinking, the residents of the apartment have installed water purifiers in their homes. People living in Madipakkam area of Chennai get water once in 4 days. People of this area purchase packaged bottles for drinking water. In slum area of Saidapet, the houses neither have bathrooms nor any tap connection. There is a common tap at one corner, in which water comes for 20 minutes twice daily. Around 300 people stand in line to fill buckets and store water for their basic needs, and the same water is used for washing and drinking. From these examples, we infer that water is an essential public utility which is available in different quantity to different people. Right to life. Water as a part of the fundamental rights to life. Water is very important for life and for good health. The largest number of waterborne diseases such as diarrhea, dysentery, cholera is recorded in India. The Constitution of India recognizes the right to water as being a part of the right to life under Article 21. According to the High Courts and Supreme Court, the right to safe drinking water is a fundamental right. Food, water, shelter, sanitation, healthcare, education are called primary requirement. They are necessary for survival and are therefore referred to as public facilities. The important features of public facilities is the benefits provided by public facilities can be shared by many people. For example, a school in a village will enable many children to get education. Public facilities. Things like electricity, public transport, schools and colleges, etc. are known as public facilities. Public facilities are provided so that its benefits can be shared by many people. The government's role. The government's role. An important function of the government is to ensure that all the public facilities are made available for all individuals. Private companies work for gaining profit in the market. Public facilities are related to people's basic needs. The main source of revenue for the government is the taxes collected from the people, and the government is empowered to collect these taxes and use them for such programs. For example, to supply water, the government has to cover costs in pumping water, carrying it over long distances, laying down pipes for its distribution, treating the water for impurities, and finally collecting and treating wastewater. The expenses are partly recovered from the various taxes that it collects and partly by charging a price of water. This price is set so that most people can afford a certain minimum amount of water for daily use. Facts about private companies. Private companies operate for profit in the market. In most of the public facilities, there is no profit to be made. Thus, private companies will probably not be interested in undertaking such work. Private companies provide public facilities at prices that only some people can afford, hence not available to all at affordable rate. Public facilities relate to people's basic needs. The Constitution guarantees the right to life for all Indians. Therefore, the responsibility to provide public facilities must be that of government only. In Mumbai, Government Water Supply Department raises enough funds through water bills to cover its expenses on supplying water. In Chennai, government has started rainwater harvesting in order to restore the level of groundwater. Conclusion: public facilities are related to our basic needs, and the Indian Constitution has recognized the right to water, health, education, etc. as being a part of the right to life. The major role of the government is to ensure adequate public facilities for everyone. Public facilities provided to everyone give rise to better living indices and help any country to get recognized at international level in terms of development. The success of any government is also acknowledged through the facilities and basic needs provided to all the individuals. These facilities finally become the building blocks of the development of a nation. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. The government has the responsibility of providing public facilities to all its citizens. Public facilities have to be equally available to all citizens, irrespective of their economic and social status. The Constitution of India recognizes the right to water as being a part of right to life under Article 21. One of the most important functions of the government is to ensure that these public facilities are made available to everyone. Public facilities that only the government can maintain are roads, railways, sanitation, water supply, and electricity. The main source of income of the government is through the tax it collects from its citizens. Sanitation.
दोस्तों, आपका क्वाइज सक्सेस में स्वागत है। अब बिना समझे रट्टा मारने की कोई जरूरत नहीं। हम लेकर आए हैं पढ़ाई का एक नया तरीका जहां 3D एनिमेटेड वीडियोस, AI पावर्ड टेस्ट सीरीज और ई-बुक्स में MCQs और माइंड मैप्स का परफेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन मिलता है। क्लास 8 से 10 के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए फाउंडेशन कोर्स और क्लास 11 और 12 के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए सक्सेस ब्लूप्रिंट कोर्स, ये सब IIT और IIM अलुमनी के सहयोग से तैयार किया गया है ताकि आपको मिले सबसे भरोसेमंद और रियल एग्जाम एक्सपीरियंस के साथ कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट। चाहे इंजीनियरिंग एंट्रेंस हो, मेडिकल एंट्रेंस हो या कोई भी कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम, अब सक्सेस आपकी मुट्ठी में है। हजारों स्टूडेंट्स पहले ही जुड़ चुके हैं, अब आपकी बारी है। पढ़ो अपने घर से, अपने समय के अनुसार, अपनी सुविधा से। बस QR कोड स्कैन करो और क्वाइज सक्सेस मोबाइल ऐप अभी मुफ्त में डाउनलोड करो। मॉक टेस्ट्स दो, प्रैक्टिस करो और अपने मार्क्स में फर्क देखो। और हाँ, हमारे YouTube चैनल क्वाइज सक्सेस पर रोज देखो नए वीडियो कोर्सेज के लिए। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और अपने दोस्तों को भी जरूर बताओ। धन्यवाद।